See that? No leave out. Go ahead and get this big mama. I hate to have to keep touching this shirt. Like, why you keep going back here on my neck? Don't do that. All right, 24 inches. This is so much hair. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a U-part wig or V-part wig, what they call it nowadays. Okay, really quick. I got a headband, some lashes, a milk band, an edge brush, some wig caps, and a dust bag to store my wig in. Alright, so I already cornrowed my hair earlier, and I made sure to do my middle braids pretty small. Okay, so the only thing you need for this style, you need your wig and a crochet hook. You see, I don't have any leave out, and you see, we have a V-part wig, which usually requires leave out. Oh yeah, and I have my flat irons because this is a lot of hair. So it comes with like this little flap here. Gonna cut that right down the middle. Let's just put this on. Go underneath here, pull it up. Wow. Okay, so first I'm going to put in these clips at the top. Let's see where I needed to stop at. I need to stop like right here. So, and what I'm doing is trying to put the clip in it like on the side of the braid. I'm not coming all the way down on top of it. And that way I have these two middle braids to crochet the hair through. All right, take my crochet hook and I'm just going to take small pieces of hair from the top and crochet them through the braid. Okay, so you take a piece of hair and you want to take the hook and go up through the braid, attach the hair, then pull it back over. So that way it covers the braid. And just keep working your way back. Like so. This is like a trust the process moment because you really can't see what you're doing. You really can't feel what you're doing, but it's working. I keep going back in spaces and filling it in. Like if I see a little gap, I go back, fill it in. Okay, so I've done this side and now I just need to do this side, and then after I do this side I'm gonna tease it. Now I'm just gonna go through and tease the top. Looks good. Now I think I'm gonna just throw some curls in the hair and maybe add a few layers around my face just to frame it, just like right here. Not too much. Right there. Smash this side. Okay. Do that a little with a little and let's curl this. Okay, and that's all I'm gonna do all around because with this hair, I know my curls are gonna drop. Like, I don't feel like it's gonna stay curled this way. I'm just going through and just to get a slight wave, a little slight curl. Actually, I'm going to flat iron my section first and then do a little wave. Cute. Let me show you again. Flat iron my section first. Just run the flat iron through real quick, not too much. And this wig is 24 inches and it's gorgeous. See, that's how it looks straightened. So it gets pretty straight. And now I'm just gonna go through and put a little wave. Just turn my... Okay. Oh, I look gorgeous. All right, we're coming along, y'all. This is a lot of hair. It's so much hair. If you're trying to be Queen Bee and get your Beyonce on, this is the wig for you. Go ahead and get this big mama. Okay. Then for the back, I actually started to like curl it. Just keep turning. Something like that. Yeah. 2 more pieces. Gorgeous. Run the comb through these front pieces because I do not want them to go away. I just want to comb them out a little bit. So much hair, 24 inches. And this is style number 1, to just wear it down, bust down middle part the traditional way. So here's the curls for the girls. I'm gonna pull out the 2 front pieces and separate the top, pretty much like a half up, half down style. And you're gonna need a clip. I have this cute pink one. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna just grab these 2 and pull them to the back, twirl it around and clip it. Okay. Style number 2, half up, half down. Okay, and style number 3 is basically gonna be the same in the front. I'm gonna keep my 2 side pieces down, but I'm gonna pull everything up in the back. And since I do have this comb in the back, I'm gonna put that through my braid. Oh, that's a cute little updo. Yes. I like it. I love it. Okay. All right, you guys. So here's style number 3 up into a high clip. All right, so that's all for this video. Definitely let me know what you think down below. Give your girl a thumbs up if you haven't already. I'll see you later.